In this video, we are going to understand about examples of exercise 13.1 of class 10th. Hello my awesome students, welcome back to my channel Akshar. I am Nana and I make videos related to NCERT solutions for classes 9 to 12th. Let's have an introduction of this video. In this video, we are going to understand about the combination of the solid and how to find out the area of those solids. And we'll solve the example number 1, 2 and 3 of exercise 13.1. So let us start our today's topic, which is chapter number 13 of class 10th, surface area and volumes, right? So let me give you a brief introduction what you have studied in the class 9th, because we are going to use the same in the class 10th now. Okay, so in class 9th you have learned about the figures cuboid, cone, cylinder and sphere. Okay, and also you have studied about their surface area and volumes, how to find out the surface area of cuboid, cone, cylinder and sphere, and how to find out the volume of all of these figures. So using these figures, now what we will do in class 10, we will combine these figures and we will find out the area of the resulting solid. For example, you have seen a test tube in your science lab. So what is a test tube? Test tube is somewhat a shape of a cylinder with the two hemispheres at its both the ends. That is called as test tube. So what it is? So suppose this is my cylinder and two hemispheres are there at the two ends, at the both of the ends of that cylinder. That results in a test tube. So you can see very clearly that total surface area of the new solid is going to be what I will do, I will take out the curved surface area of the individual figures. So I will get the total surface area of my new solid. Okay, so what it is? Curved surface area of one hemisphere at one end plus curved surface area of another hemisphere at the another end plus curved surface area of the cylinder. So this will be my total surface area of the new solid. So using this approach only, that if I am combining any two figures, then if I have to find out the total surface area of the new solid, then I will take the curved surface area of the each figure and then do the addition, so that my resulting figure will have the total surface area. Okay, so moving to example number 1. Example number 1 says what? That Rashid got a playing top as his birthday present. So Rashid has got one lattu or a playing top at his birthday present, which surprisingly had no color on it. So there is no color on it. Then he wanted, so what is the shape of a lattu? You know that very well, that it is somewhat related to that a triangle and with a hemisphere. Okay, so what he want to do? He wanted to do color with his crayons. The top is shaped like a cone surmounted by a hemisphere. So what is the shape? Shape is that it is somewhat similar to a cone plus a hemisphere. Cone plus hemisphere. So this will be this is a combination of two different solids. Till now you have studied individually about cone in class 9 and individually about hemisphere, but now we will do combination of these two figures. Okay, now the entire top is 5 centimeter. Entire, this is given to us, is equal to 5 centimeter in height, and the diameter of the top is given to me equal to 3.5 centimeter. This complete diameter is given to us equal to 3.5 centimeter. So let us give some name to our figure. Suppose this is the T and this is suppose E. Okay, find the area he has to color. So I have to find this complete area. That means I have to find total surface area, which is equal to curved surface area of the cone plus curved surface area of hemisphere. Okay, so what is the curved surface area of a cone? Curved surface area of the cone is what? Curved surface area of cone is pi r L, and curved surface area of hemisphere is what? Curved surface area of hemisphere is half into 4 pi r square, which is equal to pi r L plus 2 by 2 to the 4 plus 2 pi r square. Okay. So in triangle ABE, this triangle ABE, what I can apply? I can say that hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. So hypotenuse is what? Hypotenuse is my AE square is equal to perpendicular is what? Perpendicular is my BE square plus base square. Base is what? Base is my AB square. Okay, so now you can see that AE square is what? AE square is, we have to find out the slant height. AE is my slant height. BE is what? You can see that BE is equal to this total height DE minus this height, and this height is what? This height is my DB. So DE is what? DE is this complete height. You can see from the figure, DE is this complete height, which is equal to 5 minus DB is what? DB is the radius of the hemisphere. Okay, B is the center point. So BC, BA or BD all are the radius of this hemisphere. So radius of hemisphere is what? Radius of hemisphere is 3.5 by 2. Okay, so what I will get? I will get 1.75 here. So I will get E is equal to 3.25 centimeter square. So I can put this value here. Okay, and next is what? Next is my AB. AB again, I know that AB is what? 3.5 by 2 whole square. Okay, so it will be approximately equal to 3.7 centimeter. So now total surface area of new figure will be what? We have derived this in the previous step also, that pi r L plus 2 pi r square. Now what I have to do? I have to simply put the values, that which is equal to pi r L plus half into 4 pi r square, which is equal to pi r L plus 2 pi r square. So pi I can take out common from both these values. So pi will be common. Inside the bracket I will left with RL plus 2 r square. So just I have put the values which are given, that the value of r is 3.5 by 2. L we have find out, this is equal to 3.7 plus 2 into r into r, 3.5 by 2 into 3.5 by 2. So now pi is given to us to take as 22 by 7, and I can take out common 3.5 by 2 from both the sides, both the terms. So 3.5 by 2 will come out common, and inside that will be left with 3.7 plus 3.5. And if you will solve this value, then you will get that total surface area is equal to 19.8 centimeter square. So in example number 2, what is given to you is that the decorative block shown in the figure 13.7. So this block is shown to you in the figure is made up of two solids, a cube and a hemisphere. So this time our figure combination is of what? This time our combination is of cube plus hemisphere. Then the base of the block is a cube with edge 5 centimeter. Base edge of the cube is given to us, which is equal to this 5 centimeter, and the hemisphere fixed on the top of diameter 4.2 centimeter. The diameter of this is given to us 4.2 centimeter. So I have to find out the total surface area of the block. So to find out the total surface area of the block, what we do? We have to find out the curved surface area of the cube plus curved surface area of the hemisphere. Okay. But you can see very clearly from this figure that this is a decorative part. Okay, so what they have done, they have removed the base of the hemisphere and then put it into the cube. So I have to remove the area of that base area of hemisphere. So now put the values only and you will get your answer. What is the curved surface area of a cube? Curved surface area of a cube is 6 into side square plus curved surface area of hemisphere is what? This is 2 pi r square minus base area of hemisphere is what? Base area of hemisphere is equal to pi r square. So 6 into side square. Side is what? Side is my 5 square plus 2 pi r square plus 5 r square will give me what? It will give me only pi r square. So from here 6 into 5 square will be 25. Pi is what? Pi it is given to us to take 22 by 7 into radius is what? This is my 4.2 centimeter. Diameter is given to us. So radius will be what? 4.2 by 2 into 4.2 by 2 because this is r square. So I have to write down my radius 2 times. Okay, so now remove the decimal of this and remove the decimal of this term also. So I will get 7 6 the 42. Okay, so what I will get? I will get 150 plus, solve this, how much you can? 10. This will give us 11. And if I will do this, then I will get 3. Then 11 into 3 will give me 33 into 42 divided by 100. So I will get what? I will get 150 plus 1386 divided by 100. So it will be what? 150 plus 13.86, which will give me 163.86 centimeter square will be my answer. Okay. So moving to example number 3, which says that a wooden toy rocket is in the shape of a cone mounted on a cylinder. So there is a toy, and what is the shape of the toy? Shape of the toy is a cone which is mounted on the cylinder. Okay, means it is placed on the cylinder as shown in this figure. The height of entire rocket is 26 meter. Height of entire rocket means height of cylinder plus height of this cone is given to us equal to 26 centimeter. While the height of the conical part is 6 centimeter. Height of this conical part is given to us equal to 6 centimeter. Then the base of the conical portion has a diameter of 5 centimeter. The diameter of the conical part is given to us equal to 5 centimeter. So I have made another diagram at the right hand side. So base of this conical part, outer is the conical. So base or the diameter of the conical part is given to us equal to 5 centimeter, while the base diameter of cylindrical portion is 3 centimeters. So this is inner one is my cylindrical portion, suppose. So the diameter of this is given to us equal to 3 centimeter. Then what does the question says? If the conical part is to be painted with orange and cylindrical part is to be painted with the yellow. If this conical part has to be painted with the color orange and the cylindrical part is to be and the cylindrical part is to be painted with the color yellow, then find the area of the rocket painted with each of these colors. So we have to find out the area for both of the colors with which the rocket has to be painted. So first take the first part, that area painted with the orange color is equal to what? You can see very clearly that the area to be painted with the orange color is what? This is the conical part, right? So what part of cone is covering in this figure? This is the curved surface area of the cone plus base area of this cone, base area of cone minus base area of this cylinder, because you can see that cylindrical circular part is not there. So we will remove this area of the cylinder, base area of cylinder. Okay, so what is the formula for curved surface area of cone? Curved surface area of cone is pi r L plus base area of cone. Base area is of which shape? This is somewhat related to circle. Okay, so circle's area is what? This is pi r square. And again, base area of cylinder is what? Base area of cylinder is pi r square again, but I am denoting it with r dash to differentiate that this is the radius of cylinder and this is the radius of my cone. Okay, so now I know the value of pi and radius of the cone also and radius of the cylinder also, but I don't know the slant height. This slant height, I do not know that what is this slant height of this cone. So what we will do, we will first find out this slant height. So how we can find out this slant height? You know that this is a triangle, this is a right angle triangle. So in this right angle triangle we can use the Pythagoras theorem, and according to Pythagoras theorem, what it is, what does the Pythagorean theorem says? Hypotenuse square is equal to, this is my perpendicular square plus base square. Base is what? This much. This is what? This is the radius of the cone. So radius of the cone will be what? Diameter of the cone is given to us equal to 5 centimeter. So radius of the cone will be equal to 5 by 2 square. So L square will be equal to 6 square will be 36 plus 2.5 square. So it will give me what? L will be equal to under root of 36 plus 25 square is what? This is 625. So I will get this value. That means I will get what? I will get 42.25 under root is equal to L, and which is equal to approx 6.5 centimeter. So if I will put this value in my this equation number 1, then I will get the area painted with the orange color. Area of orange color will be equal to what? Just put the values and you will get your answer. Pi we have to take, it is given in the question that we have to take the value of pi as 3.14. So put the value 3.14 into r is what? Radius of the cone, and radius of the cone is what? This is 2.5 into L. L we have find out, L is 6.5 plus pi, again pi is 3.14. This is r. R is, this is of base area of cone. So we will use the radius of the cone, and radius of the cone is 2.5 multiply by 2.5 minus pi is what? Pi is 3.14 into r dash square. R dash, this time r is of what? This base is of a cylinder. So cylinder diameter is, if 2, if 3, then what will be the radius? Radius will be 3 by 2, which means it will be 1.5 into 1.5. So now I can take 3.14 common outside, and inside the bracket I will be left with what? 2.5 into 6.5 plus this 3.4 is already outside common. So 2.5 into 2.5 is what? This is 6.25 plus 15 into 15 will give me what? It will give me 2.25. So if you will solve this value, then you will get 63.585 centimeter square. Okay, now moving to next. Next is what? I have to find the area of the yellow color also. Yellow color is painted on what? Yellow color is to be painted on the cylinder. So what will be the area for this portion? Curved surface area of cylinder plus base of one area of cylinder. What is the curved surface area of cylinder? Curved surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r h plus base area of cylinder is what? This is pi r square. So curved surface area of the cylinder, put the values and you will get your final result. R is radius of the cylinder, and radius of the cylinder is what? Diameter of the cylinder is given to us 3 centimeter. So radius of the cylinder will be 1.5, and height of the cylinder is what? You can see that, see, 26 is the height of complete figure, and out of that 6 is the height of the cone. So height of the cylinder will be what? Height of the cylinder will be 26 minus 6, which is equal to 20 centimeter, plus pi is what? 3.14. I will put the radius as 1.5 into 1.5. So after solving this, after doing the multiplication, you will get the area on which the yellow color is to be done. Okay. If you find this video useful for you, then please do like, share and subscribe my channel so that you can get notification of my new videos. So let's meet in the next video, in which we are going to solve remaining examples of exercise 13.2. Till then, take care and bye bye.